Buying a 10,000 rupee car is not a small decision for many families in India, especially when it's a toy. Our quality is the best and the price is the cheapest. My father taught to us, never make a toy which you will not let your own child play with. Through SmartBiz, we were able to achieve that. About 70-80 years ago, my grandfather had started the toy business under the brand name of Raja Toys. In due course of time, my father, he started his own brand name by the name of Masoom, which became synonymous with high quality toys. But we started importing these battery operated ride-on cars. I used to ask myself, why cannot we make these products in India? In 2019, I started my own brand name by the name of Mekashi. We rolled off the first battery operated ride-on car. It's been now more than 5 years. We are still the only manufacturer of ride-on cars in India. In the offline market, I always thought that it was very difficult for me to actually convince a distributor or a wholesaler, then they will sell my product to a retailer. And after the retailer gets convinced, it was the end consumer. I need to cross all the 3 hurdles successfully in order to secure even one sale. The answer which we found was in online sales. With SmartBiz, it is like having your own shop, your own connect. There are no policies stopping you from contacting the customers. We have received so many feedbacks from our consumers, because of which our product is much better. It's like having a Facebook friend. When we are talking about online selling platforms, the ride-on car product is not that if somebody likes one, they will buy a second one also in the same purchase, because it is a high ASP item. The consumer should have full concentration, undivided attention towards our product. This was possible only with SmartBiz to capture a market which is yet till now untapped. We started receiving some technical query helps from South India. What we got to know is that they're using our car as a part of celebration, that a child is coming in, riding in that car in rice ceremony. What we felt that now, after 70 or 80 years of legacy, through SmartBiz, it was that we are inching to get closer to the customer. Something which I would like to hear after 15 or 20 years, when the children who are playing with our cars right now, today, they remember our product as a part of their childhood. That yes, we had a Mekashi car with us and we enjoyed it and we grew up sitting inside the car, we grew up riding the car. My grandfather said that change is the only permanent thing. We have changed the brand name, we have changed the product entirely, and that is how we came across SmartBiz also. Hence, this is the moment that I feel that yes, we have truly arrived and we are here to stay and we are here to grow.